Hello guys, in this video tutorial we are gonna see what are the arithmetic operation in Python and how we will perform these operation in Python. So let's start. Let me open the folder. Just go and open with code. Here I'm going to make a third file tut4.py. So let me zoom it for you. So we have plus, minus, multiply, division. These basic operation in Python. One is modulus. Basically modulus returns the remainder. So here we are going to learn how we are going to use these arithmetic operation in Python to perform our different operation. For example, we have two variables num1 equal to 10, num1 equal to 10 and num2 equal to 20. So we have to perform different operation on num1 and 2. For example, if we perform print num1 plus num2, so it will perform the addition of two numbers. So if let me replace it for you, if I want to perform subtraction into number, then minus. If I want to divide these number, so I will use this slash. And if I want to multiply these number, I will do it like this. So this is the basic method we use to perform different arithmetic operation in Python. So if I want to find the modulus of num2 and num1, so it will divide the 20 over 10. So what it return, let's see. Let me save it first, then we will run it. Press Ctrl S to save your. So first is 30 and the second one is minus 10. 10 minus 20 is equal to minus 10, and the 0.5, when we divide 10 over 20 it will return 0.5, and when we multiply 20 multiply by 10, then it will return 10 multiply 20, it will return 200. And when we divide 20 over 10, so it will return 0. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.